In today's video, we'll create a dynamic note-taking app using C# and WinForms. This app lets you write notes, save them, and load them anytime. Just a basic tool, but you can extend it in many ways. The app will also include features like text formatting and a streamlined user interface. Let's jump in. Start by designing the app's interface. Add a rich text box for writing notes and 3 buttons: Save, Load, and Clear. Arrange them neatly on the form. The Save button lets users store their notes. We use a Save File dialog to allow users to select a location and file name. The Save File method saves the notes in rich text format. The Load button lets users open previously saved notes. The Open File dialog is used for selecting a file. The Load File method loads the content into the text area. The Clear button wipes the text area. It also shows a confirmation dialog to prevent accidental clearing. And see it in action. I'll write a quick note, save it, load it back, and clear it. That's it for today's video. You've now created a fully functional note-taking app in C#. Let me know in the comments what feature you'd like to add next.